wanted to do a quick video on how to crimp these JST type connectors for 3D printers, or largely using 3D printers. So I'm going to be crimping these bad boys on here. I'm doing this video because I didn't see a whole lot of great videos, and the one video that actually I thought was really useful was really blurry, so I couldn't see what was going on. So I'm going to take one of these bad boys here. I got a set of them from Amazon or AliExpress or somewhat, and this open end here goes in the front one, and it goes in this way. So here's the orientation of the pliers, and I'm going to get it sort of flush against this face here. All right, I'm going to give it a couple of clicks, and then you want your ends to be stripped but pretty short. All right, so that's, I don't know, if you were soldering that, you'd have a hard time, but that's really short. And then you just take the wire, you stick it in the back side here, like this, and then you crimp it down. Squeeze it all the way. Done. Perfect. Well, not so perfect crimp, but darn good enough, right?